The Tares believe being born on the land gives them rights. In addition, they believe they are the descendants of the foundational indigenous black people that live and possess the land. The Tares cannot comprehend that their beginnings come from colonization. Prior to colonization, they did not exist. Israelites, you have to stop giving the Tares, Esau, as well as other indigenous black people's identity and culture. Just because a person is born in a country, it doesn't mean the person descends from the foundational black people who built the culture of that land. I will use the tribe of Judah as an example. The tribe of Judah in this generation are in captivity, as well as all the other tribes. All the children being born that are descendants of the tribe of Judah are from the four corners of this world. They speak the language of the country they were born in. Regardless of the country they are born in, there will be Israelites from the tribe of Judah. The country they were born in doesn't matter. Their bloodline matter. There are many people being born in the United States. Can these people claim the foundational natives who possess the land first, culture, and identity? Can Americans call themselves Indians because they were born in the USA? No. Likewise, the Tares, the children of the colonizers, cannot claim the foundational black people's culture and legacy simply because they were born on the land.